Unlock the secrets to Amazon success by mastering Keepa, your ultimate data intelligence tool for FBA, Fbm, wholesale, and arbitrage selling. Let's dive into how Keepa empowers your Amazon business, starting with a quick look at its core features. When you land on an Amazon product page, Keepa automatically overlays its powerful data directly onto the page. The most crucial elements are the price history, sales rank history, and buy box price history. These charts are your roadmap to understanding a product's performance over time. For arbitrage and wholesale, the price history is paramount. Look for products with stable or declining prices. A sudden, unexplained spike in price could indicate a temporary shortage or a product that's not ideal for long-term holding. Ideally, you want to find products where the price has been consistent, offering a predictable profit margin. Next, the sales rank history. A lower sales rank indicates a faster selling product for all selling strategies. A consistently low sales rank is a strong buy signal, especially when combined with a stable price. For wholesale, aim for products in the top 13% of their category, and for arbitrage, aim for products selling at least 15 units per day. Keepa's 30-day, 90-day, or 365-day views are excellent for assessing this. Now, the buy box price history. This shows who is winning the buy box and at what price for FBA and Fbm sellers. It's vital to understand how often you can realistically secure the buy box and at what profit. Consistent buy box wins at your target price signal a healthy product for your inventory. Beyond individual product pages, Keepa's product finder is a game changer. You can filter millions of products based on specific criteria like sales rank, price, and even track new releases. This is invaluable for uncovering wholesale opportunities that fit your niche and for finding arbitrage deals that are often missed. Don't forget to leverage the view drops feature. This highlights recent price decreases, which can be your cue to jump on an arbitrage deal or reevaluate a wholesale purchase. Similarly, the View Offers tab under the Keepa interface provides a detailed breakdown of all sellers competing for the buy box, giving you insights into competitor pricing and stock levels. For FBA and Fbm sellers, setting up Keepa's tracking alerts is crucial. You can set alerts for price drops, sales rank changes, or when a product hits a certain profit margin. This automates your monitoring, saving you time and preventing missed opportunities. By consistently utilizing these Keepa features, you're equipping yourself with the data-driven confidence to make profitable decisions across all your Amazon selling ventures.